chemistry practical, I'm going to give you the things you need to know, more like an expo for you. So I need you to pay great attention. I also need you to watch this video from beginning to the end so that you will be able to get exactly all the materials or the expo I want to give you for your chemistry practical. Now, of course, you know your chemistry practical carries a lot of mark in chemistry. For chemistry practical, you need things like one burette. Each of you, as a student, you need a burette. I will still show you a burette. You need a pipette, one pipette, you know. Then you will need the following: dilute sodium hydroxide solution, dilute ammonia solution. Are you with me? Dilute hydrochloric acid, HCl. You will need barium chloride solution. Of course, you may not be getting these things I'm saying very well, but I can send you this white paper or yellow paper to you, this particular paper, that confidential paper that NECO brought out. I can send it to you so that you pay closer attention to them. How I will send it to you is, if you do three things for me: like this video, just click on like, then watch this video to the end, subscribe to this YouTube channel, then when you subscribe, come under this video and say I have subscribed. Once you say I have subscribed, I'll begin to send all the materials, both timetable, syllabus, and this yellow paper to you as you prepare for your exam. So you need distilled water, you need red and blue litmus papers, which I will still show you. You will need copper 2 tetraoxo sulfate 6 solution, copper 2 tetraoxo sulfate 6 solution. You will need 2 molar solutions of hydrochloric acid, that is HCl. You will need soda lime solution. You will need methyl orange. Of course, you know methyl orange. You will need 1 boiling tube. You will need 5 test tubes. You will need apparatus for filtration. Then you will need a source of heat. Remember what I've said. Let me run down to them again before I go to the other page. I said you will need dilute sodium hydroxide solution. You will need dilute ammonia solution. You will need dilute hydrochloric acid. You will need barium chloride solution. You will need distilled water. You will need red and blue litmus paper. You will need copper 2 tetraoxo sulfate 6 solution. You will need 2 molar solutions of hydrochloric acid. You will need soda lime solution. You will need methyl orange. You will need 1 boiling tube. I will still show you all those things. You will need 5 test tubes. I will still show you those things. You will need filtration apparatus. Then you will need source of heat. Before I get to show you those things, remember to quickly like this video, subscribe to Noble Tutorial YouTube channel, watch this video to the end, then also come under this video and tell me I have subscribed. Before I continue to the other page, this particular page, I will take you to see some of those materials I just mentioned. So just pay attention. Remember that in the previous video, I mentioned that you will need litmus paper. I mentioned that you will need... Okay, now, what you are looking at is what we call burette. You must have seen it as a science student. You must have seen it in your laboratory. So this will be needed. You also be needing this thing with 50 cl pipettes or pipettes. You also be needing it. So pay attention to it. This expo I'm giving you should give you an idea of what your chemistry practical in NECO will be like. Then you also, okay, this is a combination of both burette and pipette. So I'm sure you know the difference, the one that is burette and the one that is pipette. Litmus paper. What is litmus paper used for? Like I said, I'm giving you a detailed expo. Litmus paper is used for, the main use is to test whether the solution is acidic or alkaline, whether it is acid solution or base. Of course, you know we have red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. Now, if you are testing red litmus paper, if you dip it into an acid, there will be no change. But if you dip a red litmus paper into alkaline solution or base solution, it will turn to blue. If you take a blue litmus paper and dip it into an acid, it will change from blue to red. If you dip a blue litmus paper into a base or alkaline, there will be no change. So red litmus paper inside base or alkaline will turn to red. Red will turn to blue. Then if you take blue litmus paper and put it into acid, you will get a red. Okay? So this litmus paper, blue, red, and purple. I talked about test tube. Test tube. This is just those small, tiny uh, vertical tube that you see in the lab for tests. This is an example. I brought it out for you so that you will see exactly what we are talking about. Okay? This is another example of you just pour your solutions. Those solutions I mentioned, like tetraoxosulfate 6 and all the rest, hydrochloric acid and all the rest, they will be in these test tubes. Now, this is a spatula. Spatula is what you use to get acid, basically acidic powders or for mixtures in the lab. So this is an example of spatula. I'm showing you so that I don't know the state of your school chemistry lab. Once you enter into the NECO chemistry practical hall, you wouldn't be confused seeing these things. Like I said, this is burette, this is pipette, this is burette and pipette, this is litmus paper used for testing acidity and alkalinity. This is litmus paper, this is test tube, this is also test tube, and this is a spatula. Okay, let's continue. In the second page, they said each candidate should be supplied with the following A, B, C, D, where N is the candidate serial number. Where N is your serial number, you can see that there will be a difference in what you will get. 50 cm cube of tetraoxosulfate 6 acid solution in bottle labeled A. What you will do is, once you subscribe to this YouTube channel, just comment under this video and subscribe so that I will send you this particular paper, all this material, so that you'll be able to read this thing very well and prepare yourself. It will get you ready for the exam. 50 cl cube of sodium tetraoxosulfate 4 solution in a bottle labeled BN. 1 spatula full of zinc chloride salt in a specimen labeled CN. Solution of powdered milk in a specimen labeled DN. In all cases, more materials may be given if required. So I will want to send you this particular paper. Thank you for watching to this part. I want to send it to you. So what you will do is like this video, then subscribe to this YouTube channel. Remember to share this video. I also need you to share. Click on share. Once you click on share, copy the link. You can share on Facebook, YouTube. Copy the link and share in all the WIRE and NECO you belong to. So basically, you need these chemicals and those materials I mentioned. Once you subscribe, I'll begin to guide you. I will send you these particular papers that will guide you. And if you have questions, you are always free to ask me. So subscribe, come under this video and say I've subscribed, then I will send you the materials you need and we'll begin to talk. We wish you all the best in your NECO examination.